gear up. That's better. Not really what I wanted to do. A bit of turbulence here. Oh, it's okay. At least I'm up in the air. Well, it's very turbulent. That's alright, I like that. So, the engine feels so smooth, like butter. Not the air, just the engine. So let's have a look around, see what we can do today. Trusty enough to go that way. We had a nice little cruise. Didn't put a lot of fuel in this time, so I thought I would just have a little mosey around with the new engine, nice and clean. I had it cleaned, and then my exhaust pipe nuts came loose. So that was a bit annoying because my friend got hit by one of the nuts, so he's standing in the wrong place, and like, what is the chances of a nut actually hitting you? 1 in a million? You should run the lottery, I think. Gonna go see a temple? Get told off for going over it, so we go beside it instead. The temple just here, obviously being in Thailand. A nice river. We're not allowed to fly over temples because it's offensive apparently. So I'll fly to the side of it. Hopefully you'll get a nice view. I'm going to get a bit of turbulence here because I'm hitting some houses and stuff. But I fly paragliding, so I'm used to that. So as long as my feet don't go over this temple, I'm not really breaking any rules, I hope. So there's temple down there. Very nice, very pretty. I don't have a god, so it doesn't really appeal to me. Probably get some turbulence off of this now. And there's Ajahn somewhere here. There he is. I can see his shadow behind me. Airfield's right on my nose. Let's go a little bit lower. Pretty trimmed out, not a lot, but we're going to definitely get some turbulence here, so I'll move away. Nice bird in my sight. The Ajahn, I can see his shadow behind me. Is like just under me, I believe. Ajahn is, as I said, but probably won't show it, means teacher. He teaches paramotor. Not to me though. Lining up for the airfield again. Just going to go a little flyby, nothing special. Quite a good way to test your glide distance as well. Got a tiny headwind. I'm just under idle, but also I want to see how the wings affected in this weather, because I'm a little bit like later than I usually come out to earlier than I come out to fly. And my glide ratio here is very long already, I can see. So if I was trying to do anything clever, I'd be screwed. What I'll do is I'll just do a little circle around, see if I can line up better. Oh, I knew I was coming high, but I guess you don't know how high, do you? Go down the river. Jan had similar ideas to me, but a little bit low flying. Let's see if we can do one of these footpaths. If I get this right, my chase cam's behind me. The greener the field, actually, the better for any low flying. Just checking my trims. They're pretty midway, I guess. Let's do a little shallow turn. Look at a diving turn. There we go. Let's have a dive. Come on, that's it. Lovely. And again. Let's go for one more. Do it one more time. Swing itself a bit lower. Trying to get myself on this line here, but without being too stupid. Because I want to get on here. There we go. And try. I may even go one more. Try one more time. Really bumpy, but basically I'm just having a bit of fun. That's better, a little bit sharper. Now we're in a good turn. Come on. That's the one. The wind's all over the place, so this not really trying to do anything clever. I just want to. There's a drier one over there, but I don't know why. Nice and wet for my legs, should I do something stupid. Gonna back up a little bit. I'm just doing nice low flying, nothing special. Basically following the pathways. Just making a little bit of climb over this water. You don't want to go wrong, it's over water. Jan's going back up, I think. Fair enough. Banana plantation. So I'll probably make my way in and then allow myself either a second flight or a hell of a butt landing. Let's have a look. Can't see the wind. Right on the money. So we'll climb a little bit. Just change my trims to something a bit more. Now I've got some lift, slow my wing down a bit for landing. So I use my trims in. Everyone says trims out, but I ain't no special pilot. Got to land on 2 false legs. Hopefully, pretty well. Hopefully. Let's have a look how the approach is going to be. See what my sink rate is. Get a good grip. I really hope that I can nail this landing. Do too many butt landings. Over the trees and the water. Let's have a look. How's that looking? Try and get on my harness a bit more than usual. Yay! See how far I can kite it up. Now that is the first for me to actually kite it back to where I came from as well. Yeah. That's made my day. Alright, turn this off.